Half a day everyone, I'm Roda Simon and welcome to Chika Roda. World premiere of To Have and to Hold makes noise on Twitter, Philippines. The brand new soap produced by internationally acclaimed GMA Entertainment Group, To Have and to Hold, delivered on its very first episode on Monday night. Garnered by the brightest and finest stars under GMA7 led by Carla Abellano, Rocco Nacino, and Max Collins, televiewers and netizens who watched the world premiere showered the soap with positive comments on Twitter, Philippines. One of them tweeted, "Panalo sa cinematography, camera angles and transitions. Very commendable and very promising ang show at cast. Ang ganda pa ng location." Another one posted that the soap boasts a powerhouse cast, making primetime viewing a lot more exciting. What makes hashtag To Have and to Hold differ from other teleseries is that it unfolds love and the complexity of marriage from a whole new perspective. At GMA drama is leveling up the game with this powerhouse cast and fresh premise. Here's my entry for the hashtag .tht, the beginning poster. Carla Abellana, who plays Erica, told Lars Santiago a little bit na nakakakaba. May pressure din po kasi, most especially mas mataas po ang expectations, hindi lang ng management kundi ng viewers. They always expect something different in terms of kwento, yung performance mo, and they always look forward. For her part, Max Collins firmly believes that they have a good material and what they created is something special. For us, it's something we are so proud of and we really believe in our show. But syempre, we don't know kung ano ang magiging reaksyon ng audience. So medyo nandun yung anxiousness, but I'm really excited about it. Because I believe that we did something special. Starstruck alumnus Rocco Nacino shared that the story of Gavin, Dominic, and Erica is relatable to a lot of Pinoys, especially for couples who have been married for a long time. The Kapuso actor explained very excited sa story, tulad ng sinabi ni Max, "Pinaghirapan namin ito at sa tingin ko po talaga para matulungan yung audience natin, titulars, magdedepende ang kanya-kanyang takbo ng istorya depende sa mga pinagdaanan sa buhay, titular, at maintindihan niya ng matagal ng kasal." Thanks for watching. Keep safe everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa aking mga latest chika.